Welcome to everyone. It's AndyBear
and MaxiBull. Today is 5th of October, and I'm starting our bullish forecast, which will be quite simple today. So today we were talking about Facebook. Facebook had experienced a little outage yesterday for maybe 6 hours. It was unprecedented thing, which led to almost 5% drop of Facebook price. Let me show that. It literally 5%, and it broken all the levels of support. Probably it was the goal of Facebook to maybe some other guys who are moving price, and because all the other technology giants also fell down a bit. So for instance, Twitter, Amazon, Facebook, they all went down this night. And I noticed that Facebook made a big bounce from this from some point at 322. However, it might be a temporary correction, and the real goal Facebook looks to be 315. So I expect Facebook to go lower according to this red line. That's a ideal scenario. The another scenario maybe that Facebook goes to 315 and then bounce and reverse. And we will see that today. Okay, do you have any ideas, Andy?
Yes. First of all, I will look at the Facebook as well as Amazon, as Tesla shares, and I will show you in a second. Okay, this is SP 500 futures. So there is an index SP 500. I love a futures because there is no gaps between open and close with sessions. So it's constantly trading almost 23 hours a day. And it's fill up the all information, so there is more accurately you can make a decision. First of all, this was before support line and became resistant line when it was the capitulated. After we checked here, and now we went down to another level. We also tried to hold this level and broke this level. And eventually, we trying to reverse back, didn't hold this reversal and capitulate again. And now they're going down. So if you look in detail, so this is a one level, it's kind of a flag formation, and it should be, there's another level down. Even if you measure it, this leg and put at the same length to this top, it will be to the level of 4,100 at least 70. I expecting this will break today. Why? Because buyers holding position at this level, and I opened my short, by the way. So there's eventually this price will go down. If you look at the different products like Apple already broke the support level and going down, and it will go even deeper down. Amazon, it's also standing on a key level, critical level, and Tesla in the skies, but again, it's this. So the high on it's on the highest level, and eventually will go down as well, because green program of Joe Biden actually was stalled, and because of the Republicans trying to cut the budget spending, especially on the green energy and technology, because there's a budget, American budget blown out. So this is all the green green idea, it's almost already materialized, yeah, on a high. So it's only now it's going down. So taking all together, even these Australian dollars, like it's interesting, like it's like a commodity also, it's used. It's now it's the on a reversal point, and it will go down as well. And finally, Facebook. Okay, so this is a Facebook, and you can see and recognize two legs of movement, because every movement created as a correct, it's a zigzag in zigzag mode. So there's one leg, correction, another leg. It's pretty common, and you can find everywhere. It's a zigzag pattern. The zigzag, easy to recognize, especially for correction pattern. And we can see here, it was a long fight, almost like several days on this level. And eventually it broke with broken DNS server on a Facebook. Who broke it? Who broke the shares and the DNS server? Nobody knows. But it definitely, it's not really easiest way, you know, to break the DNS server, especially for lots of the products. So anyway, so it's diversion happened, and we have a plunge of Facebook, and the nearest support level will be about 300. So if you really wanna to purchase Facebook today, maybe it's the wait until the end. So it will be going down. Lots of shares will break this level. Here's a level of support, and we can have a few days of descent, and it's the plunge in the shares, and maybe Thursday, Friday again will be consolidation on a new bottom. So this is my view. And also, if we look at the government bonds, what I can see, there is a nice pattern. So we can have, especially with a new economic data, we can have another leg up to this level, and it's kind of triggering panicking on the market. So it will be as NASDAQ will even can go down even deeper. So nobody knows, but the thunderstorm coming. This is my view, as usual.
Yeah, thank you, Andy, for your view, for your vision. I believe that everything will be optimistic and everything will go on the right side. So I expect Facebook to reverse soon, and once it shows signs of reverse, we will let you know. We'll post a new video with our forecast of Facebook. Stay tuned.
Okay, bye. All the best. See you next day.